What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So, a couple of weeks ago, Tesla unveiled a couple of new accessories for the Cybertruck, one of which a lot of people were super excited about, and that is jump seats. So this allows you to actually strap down a kind of makeshift foldable seat into the bed of the Cybertruck and take people around in a little more comfortable fashion. Safety might not necessarily be the best priority here with something like this. Model Ys have it currently, and they're kind of, actually I believe some Model S's back in the day had it too. But they are never the most comfortable. It's just kind of in case you need, they're there. Anyways, we received the Cybertruck Jumpseat. I want to show you exactly how it works. Let's unbox it and then throw it in the back of the truck. Let's go. So as you can see, the package isn't exactly discreet. It tells you exactly who it's from and exactly what is in the package. Let's go ahead and open it up really quick and show you exactly what comes in this. As you can see, again, on all sides, it really does just say exactly what is present here. And for those of you that didn't see it on their website or know exactly what to look for, this is foldable. Like I said, it is a seat, and it does have almost like a little handle to actually use to travel around with. So let's find the top here, open it right up. All right, that is actually pretty cool. Neat design here. It does feel pretty nice. Let me move this box out of the way for us also. So yeah, this is the jump seat. You can see exactly, has the Cybertruck logo here. Tons of zippers, as you would expect. To unzip it, looks like it's a little weather resistant too on the sides here. And the straps to attach to that new bed liner as well. So I'm going to go ahead and unclip this and fold it right up, and this is exactly what it looks like. I will say it's actually more comfortable than I was imagining it to be, but not too crazy nonetheless. Again, you have that zipper on the side for all the padding, which doesn't seem to be anything crazy, just a little fluff there. That's what one of those zippers are. And then the same thing for the bottom. So obviously one's for your back, one's for your butt. And really the only thing that holds it in place is truly that one clamp right here to reattach. So that's it. Opens up otherwise, and that's what it looks like. Let's take it right out to the Cybertruck. All right, so at the Cybertruck, all you need to do, obviously, open up the tailgate. And let's move this angle down for you guys. So here it is. It's as simple as literally laying it right in your tailgate, unhooking it, and opening it up. And it is actually comfortable. If you sit down in it, it is not too bad, as you guys can see. It is actually pretty decent. You can line up probably, I'd say, 3 here with no issue at all. If you actually got the tailgate protector that Tesla was selling for about $300, they do interconnect with it. It's called the tailgate shield. So for the shield itself and the jump seat, for a single jump seat, you're looking at about $400, which is, again, definitely some Tesla tax on that. I don't agree with it, definitely overpriced, but it will allow you to hook all of these on the bed on that shield for the tailgate. And also, once it's hooked up, they actually do stay straight and locked into place, so you don't have to keep putting them in and out. Although carrying this around isn't that terrible either. So just kind of a call out there. Not much else to this one. I do like the compact nature. It's definitely more comfortable to sit in if you decided to use something like that. Yeah, it's out now. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. I think $100 for the seat itself is kind of reasonable, nothing crazy, but $300 for the tailgate shield and then another $100 for a single seat definitely gets kind of pricey. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.